Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share.
In this video, I am going to define the harmonic function in polar form, and as well as I want to show that analytic function whose real part and imaginary part are also harmonic I want to show here. First I will define the harmonic function now. Okay, let a function z is equal to f of r theta is said to be harmonic function if it satisfies the Laplacian equation, that is del square z is equal to 0. That is nothing but dou square z by dou r square plus 1 by r dou z by dou r plus 1 by r square into dou square z by dou theta square must be equal to 0. If the z function satisfies this condition, then we say that z is a harmonic function. Okay, then if omega equal to f of z is a analytic function, then we have to show that it is a harmonic. Okay, next theorem is the real and imaginary parts of the analytic function are harmonic. I have to prove. Okay, now proof. Let me consider. Okay, let omega equal to f of z is equal to u of r theta plus I into v of r theta be a analytic function in polar form. Okay, then if it is analytic function, then it holds to the CR equations. Therefore, by CR equations, what I can write our CR equations then here? Dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r dou v by dou theta, and dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta. They are CR equations. Now I want to prove that u r theta is also a harmonic function, means it holds with this dou square z by dou square u by dou r square plus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square dou square u by dou theta square equal to 0. I have to prove. Okay, for that let me consider this first CR equation. Okay, consider dou u by dou r plus 1 by r into dou v by dou theta, sorry, equal to it is. Now let me differentiate it partially with respect to r, because I want with respect to, okay, differentiating partially with respect to r, I am getting it as dou square u by dou r square equal to right hand side 1 by r into dou v by dou theta is there. This also may be a function of r. Therefore, product rule I have to use here. That is 1 by r as it is. This is with respect to r will become dou square v by dou r dou theta plus this one partial differential of this dou v by dou theta as it is into minus 1 by r square. Correct? It is a dou v by dou theta. It is product. Okay, now what I will do, I will consider this one, second part of the CR equation, that is I will write it as dou u by dou theta equal to minus r into dou v by dou r I will consider. Now I want dou square u by dou theta square. Differentiating this one, differentiating partially with respect to theta, I will do this one. That is dou square u by dou theta square is equal to, this will become dou square u by dou theta square, differentiating with respect to theta here. Then I am getting it as here product rule again, minus r into, or my r is constant, minus r into dou square v by dou theta dou r, okay, and minus dou v by dou theta. Now here with respect to theta will become this one, minus r into dou square v by dou theta square. Now both are dou square v by dou theta square and one and the same here. Here I will substitute this one. Therefore dou square u by dou r square equal to 1 by r into dou square v by dou theta square equal to, shifting to other side, that will become minus 1 by r dou square u by dou theta square. This one I will substitute here, minus 1 by r square I will split as minus 1 by r into 1 by r dou v by dou theta. But I want in terms of all the terms in terms of u. Therefore dou square u by dou r square equal to minus 1 by r square dou square u by dou theta square, okay, and minus 1 by r dou v by dou theta is nothing but again dou u by dou r. This one I will write here, dou u by dou r, okay. Shift all this to the left hand side, which implies, okay, dou square u by dou r square plus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square dou square u by dou theta square must be equal to 0. This is nothing but del square of u is equal to 0. Therefore u of r theta satisfies the Laplacian equation. Therefore real part of omega, that is u of r theta, is harmonic function, is a harmonic function. Similarly, I have to show that v is also a harmonic function. Now I will prove that. Now to show that v of r theta, imaginary part, is harmonic, okay. Now by CR equations in polar form, that is dou v by dou r equal to, I can write it as minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta, okay, and dou v by dou theta equal to, I can write it as r into dou u by dou r, okay. Now differentiating this one, differentiating partially with respect to r, I am getting dou square v by dou r square equal to, while differentiating partially with respect to r, dou v by dou theta also may be a function of r. Therefore you have to use the product rule here, minus 1 by r dou square u by dou r dou theta plus, okay, and dou u by dou theta as it is into partial differentiation of minus 1 by r with respect to r will become minus of minus 1 by r square. Clear? Minus is due to this one, and differentiation of 1 by r is minus 1 by r square. Now similarly this one I have to differentiate partially with respect to theta. Then I am getting dou square v by dou theta square equal to, r is constant, and this one partial differential with respect to theta will become dou square u by dou theta dou r. This dou square u by dou theta dou r I will substitute here. Therefore dou square v by dou r square equal to, I can write it as minus 1 by r into dou square u by dou r dou theta. Dou square u by dou r dou theta is nothing but shifting this other side, 1 by r dou square v by dou theta square. Okay, and this is minus of minus plus. I will write it as 1 by r into 1 by r dou u by dou theta. I can write this one, but I want all the terms in terms of v. This is in terms of u is there. This I can replace it using again the CR equation. Dou square v by dou r square equal to minus 1 by r square into dou square v by dou theta square and plus 1 by r dou u by dou theta, 1 by r dou u by dou theta, and this minus is shifted to the other side. This will become minus dou v by dou r. Okay, shifting all these things to left hand side, that will become dou square v by dou r square plus 1 by r dou v by dou r. Okay, and plus 1 by r square dou square v by dou theta square equal to 0, which is nothing but del square of v equal to 0. Therefore imaginary part of omega, that is v of r theta, also satisfies Laplacian equation. Therefore v of r theta is also a harmonic function. Therefore both real and imaginary parts of analytic function are harmonic. Okay, like this. In my next video I am going to show that both u and v, real part and imaginary part of a analytic function, holds to the orthogonality. They are orthogonal trajectories of each other. I have to prove. Okay, like this. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.